Good morning, everybody. Hope you are well and have a wonderful day. It's Sunday, September 12th, 2021. It's around 10 a.m. and the temperature is 29 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. In this video, you will watch Yangon neighborhood tour around the Shwedagon Pagoda area. Let's watch the video. This is Shwedagon Pagoda area. It is located to the west of the Kandauji Lake. Shwedagon Pagoda is one of the most beautiful iconic landmark in Yangon. It is 2,500 years old pagoda made with gold and diamond. There are lots of shops in this area where you can get various types of statues of Lord Buddha, monks' robes and souvenirs. Let's check out these shops. This is a wonderful Buddha statue. There are various types of Buddha statue available in this shop. You can get this statue with price range from $2 to $100. The price of this Buddha statue is $29. You can buy this Buddha statue with $23. This is a shop where you can get monks' robes. There are various types of monks' robes with cotton available in this shop. The price range is from $10 to $50. There are lots of monasteries and Chinese temples in this neighborhood. There are lots of street hawkers beside the road selling various types of products. Monks are walking across the road. This is Yangon City Development Committee YCDC market where you can get various types of daily necessary products. Let's walk across this market. People come here to buy their daily necessary products. While walking across this footpath, you can see various types of vendors are selling fish, meat, fruits and vegetables. People are eating street food beside the road. This is a Chinese temple in the neighborhood. This is a Buddha statue shop in the neighborhood. You can get various types of amazing Buddha statue in this shop.
Oh, so beautiful.
This is a wonderful white color Buddha statue from Mandalay. This is a vendor selling Buddha statue. This is a very big Buddha statue. The price of this statue is 7.5 million Myanmar kyat, which is equivalent to 4,300 US dollars. How much?
Myanmar kyat.
This is a monastery in the neighborhood. This is a beautiful Chinese temple in the neighborhood. There are lots of tricycles in this neighborhood. You can use these tricycles as a transport. A monk is walking. It's quite cloudy and there is a possibility of rain showers today. The road is very neat and clean and peaceful. Some Buddha statue shops beside the road. This is a beautiful Buddhist temple in the neighborhood. You can see lots of monasteries and residences of monks on both sides of this road. Overall, this is a beautiful and peaceful neighborhood. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.